team.
The second principle for resolving conflict effectively is to recognize that differences between us are good. Trying to make our husband or wife think and behave like us never works. We can be very different in all sorts of ways, for example, in how we make decisions. One of us might make decisions quickly and easily and doesn't worry about making mistakes, while our partner may be more cautious and careful, taking a long time over every decision.
That's me. We bought a second-hand car recently, and we had a choice between two almost identical ones. And Scilla was very excited that we'd made the decision so quickly, while I lay awake most of the following night, worrying we'd bought the wrong one.
A major difference between many couples is how they restore their energy, and that'll depend on whether they're more extroverted or introverted. Extroverts need a certain amount of time with others. Introverts, on the other hand, need more time on their own. Another difference between an extrovert and an introvert is that extroverts tend to think out loud. That's external processing. While introverts, on the whole, like to sort out their thoughts first and then speak. That's internal processing.
I'm married to an extreme extrovert, and because Scilla is often thinking out loud, I've had to learn not to react too quickly when she says something to me with great passion and conviction, as she's quite likely to change her mind and say the opposite 5 minutes later with equal passion and conviction. As an introvert, I like to work out what I think before speaking. So if we have a difficult decision, I'll typically go away by myself to think it through, and then I'll tell Scilla what I think.
At which point, I tell Nikki, that is not a discussion. That is just your conclusion. But in marriage, we have to learn to accept our varying approaches. One attitude isn't better or worse than another, it's just different. And a strong marriage is where we see ourselves as a partnership, combining our strengths and helping each other in our weaknesses.